Alloys. Alloys are a mixture of 2 to 3 metals combined together, and this combination of more than one metal together makes it more strong. So, an alloy is harder and stronger than pure metal. The only condition is that the metals cannot be separated. So we now know that alloys are metallic materials. Metallic comes from the word metal because they are made up of metals. So alloys are metallic materials consisting of 2 or more elements. So it's a mixture of 2 or more elements combined in such a way that they cannot be readily separated. So we can't separate the metals once mixed. More than 90% of metals used are in the form of alloys. Well, that's a large percentage. So imagine all the metals that we use every day, most of them are alloys. We will explore some examples of alloys. The first example is bronze. Bronze is made up from copper and tin. So these are two metals combined together, making an alloy called bronze. And remember, the metals cannot be readily separated in an alloy. Another example is a very common one, which is steel. Steel is actually made up of iron, carbon, and others. Another well-known alloy is brass. Brass is made up of copper and zinc combined together. So brass is made up of two kinds of metals.